Hi. Welcome to my channel. I am back with another informative and exciting tutorial. Today we are going to discuss and practice poster design. First, we will see what a poster is, why it is the most widely used medium of advertising and some common types of posters. A poster is a piece of paper containing images, texts, and illustrations to portray a message or some valuable information. In today's evolving world, posters are mostly used by every business for advertising purposes. And because of the advancement in graphic design, it is the best way to grab customers' attention by advertising your products or services through an eye-catching poster design. Now have a look at some important types of posters. First is political posters. These types of posters are used by political parties to run their political campaigns or spread their narrative, usually near election days. The second type of poster is advertising, which is most widely used by almost every business in this day and age. The third type of poster is social awareness poster. These are used to give some informative or awareness-related messages for the betterment of people and society. The fourth type of poster is an event poster. It is designed for any event-related activity, for example, cultural events or seminars, or a New Year party. The fifth type of poster is a movie poster. It can be used both indoors and outdoors. The sixth type of poster is a motivational poster. It can be used to spread a motivational message. Now, before practicing in Illustrator, let's have a look at some standard sizes and mediums for poster design according to which we will design in Illustrator. Although posters are outdoor or print media, but advertising posters can be used as digital media also, and movie posters can be placed indoors. So, when designing for the outdoor or indoor print medium, some standard sizes of posters can be used. These are 12 inches by 18 inches, 18 inches by 24 inches, and 20 by 30 inches. Sizes can vary and can also depend on the space in which the poster has to be displayed. Posters can be in both portrait or landscape orientation, but are mostly designed in portrait. While designing for the digital medium, we can use standard A4 or A3 paper size for poster design. Now, let's move to Illustrator. We will practice an event poster. We will use an Illustrator template named Poster, which is in the Art and Illustration tab, and it is 18 by 24 inches. First, plan the layout of your poster design according to the topic or main purpose of the poster. I am gonna create a poster design for an art exhibition. So, I will choose images if I have to put them in my design, or font style according to my topic. Draw a shape using a pen tool to place the image on it. Select the shape and image by holding the Shift key and then right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. Now give some artistic effects to make it more relatable to the topic. You can explore more from the Effects tab. Now draw a circle using the Ellipse tool. You can draw a perfect circle by holding the Shift key and then clicking and dragging the cursor. Now add text and choose fonts wisely according to your topic. My poster is for an art exhibition, so I will use some decorative or stylish font for the main text. Now add the date of the event. In this type of poster design, the date is the most important thing, so you can use any bold or highlighted font for showing the date or a bigger font size than other text. Now I am adding a shape for the background and adding some gradients to match the background with other design elements. Now make your design more beautiful. Add symbol. If you didn't find it in your workspace, make sure you have selected Essential Classic Workspace from the Windows tab and then Workspace. You can double-click a symbol to edit or change colors. Now add other remaining details. Here we go. Our poster design is ready. Now you can create your own designs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.